In this video, you are going to learn how to apply a formaldehyde-free keratin treatment. Are you ready? First, start by washing the hair thoroughly. Slightly dry and divide the hair into 4 sections. Remember to shake the bottle and wear gloves. Start from the base of the head and work your way up to the top. Apply the solution 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 of an inch away from the scalp. Use a fine comb to spread the product through the length of the hair and to remove any excess. Leave the solution to act according to the hair type. We also recommend to use a hair cap. Rinse with water, removing all of the product.
One more fight turns into one more night.
Dry the hair completely.
I'm always gonna try and say that it's the last time. Then you say it's what you want, but it's never enough.
Now is the most important part of the process. Thermoactivating the product and sealing the nutrients into the thin strands of hair. Set the flat iron temperature and how many times necessary for each strand according to the table. Use caution with temperature on sensitive, thin, and colored hair. The higher the temperature, the better the results. Tip: use the flat iron until you see a decrease in the vapor. That's a sign that the hair is sealed and the product has been activated. Use your professional judgment to understand when the treatment is finally done. The treatment will last from 3 to 5 months. You can find this treatment at thekeratinstore.com. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. New videos coming soon.